Hey everybody, I'm Dino and welcome to my world, the world of technology. Today I'm going to show you how to use BleachBit to permanently delete a file or a folder. Usually when you delete a file or a folder, the operating system actually just removes its entry from the directory so that you can't see the file, but the file's still there. But when it's removed from the directory, it also tells the operating system that space on the hard drive can be rewritten to. So over time, other files will be written over top of it. But if you want to make sure the file's deleted and no one can recover it or even part of it, you can do what's called shredding the file, or it's often referred to as shredding the file. And when a file is shredded by a program, it writes ones or zeros or both over top of the file so that it actually erases what was there by replacing it. So BleachBit can do this. It's one of the functions BleachBit does. BleachBit also cleans up various files like temporary files, and it can manage ensuring that files and folders are actually deleted. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to this icon in the corner and we're going to go to Shred Files. And I'm going to go to the C drive to this directory, which is kind of our sample directory. And you see I have a folder and a file here. So if I want to just delete this file, I can go here and I can click on this. And it says, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? And we're going to go delete, and it's permanently deleted it. So the thing to remember about this is if you delete a file with this, it is gone. You can't recover it with any sort of recovery program because it's going to write over the file entirely. So we're going to go back up to this icon again and go to Shred Folders. And I'm going to go to the C, and under this folder, the test folder is the one that I want to get rid of. So I'm going to select that and go OK. Once again, it's going to go, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? And so I'm going to click delete and get rid of those files. Now, another thing to be aware of on BleachBit is there's also a function here to wipe free space. And what that function does is it goes over free space on a drive or within a folder, and it will actually write ones and zeros over it to remove any remnants of old files as well. So all three of these things are ways to ensure that somebody can't come to your hard drive and look at files that you erased or you thought you erased. These are also good functions to do if you're getting rid of a hard drive or giving it to someone else and you want to make sure the data is deleted off of it, or certain data is deleted off. You can delete it or shred it with these functions. I'm Dino, and this has been Dino's Tech World, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.